Wipro has announced buyback to the tune of 12,000 crores at a price of 445 rupees per share. The stock yesterday closed at 375 odd levels, which means that buyback price is at a 19% premium to yesterday's closing price. Analysts expected Wipro buyback to be in the tune of 10 to 10,500 crores, and hence buyback size of about 12,000 crores has come in as a surprise for the street. Let's also talk about Wipro's buyback history then. In FY 18, 20 and 21, Wipro announced buyback and dividend cumulative to the tune of 100% of its profit after tax. Let's talk about Wipro's fourth quarter numbers then. Numbers were weak, much lower than what the street was working with. Revenue guidance for first quarter of FY 24 is also pretty weak. As far as numbers are concerned, revenues for the quarter gone by in constant currency terms declined by about 0.6% on a quarter-on-quarter basis. Attrition, much like many other IT companies, did decline by about 330 basis points to come in at 14.3%. Margins were largely steady on a sequential basis. They came in at 16.3% in the quarter gone by. As far as guidance is concerned, as I mentioned, it was weak, much below what the street was working with. Management has guided for revenue growth of -1 to 3% in the first quarter of FY 24. So although numbers are weak, guidance is much below what the street was working with. The stock is gaining in trade today, and that is because of the buyback. Buyback size, as I mentioned, is much ahead of what street estimates, and that is the reason the stock is gaining in trade today.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.